Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Instagram password. If you're using Instagram and you want to reset your Instagram account password, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to your profile by tapping on your profile option in the bottom right and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right and here just select account center and then tap on password and security, select change password and select your Instagram account from here. And from here, you just have to simply change your account password. You have to enter your current password, then enter your new password and retype your new password. Your password will be changed. Or if you don't know about your password, so you just have to select this forgotten your password here. And here you can see that Instagram has sent a mail to my Gmail. So just simply go back, open your Gmail app. Now in the Gmail app, you just have to simply select your Instagram mail with reset your password. So select that and here just tap on reset password. It will be open into your Instagram app and here you can easily create a new Instagram account password. So in this way you can easily reset your Instagram password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.